on my head. No, no, no. They want me dead or alive. They want me dead or alive. I'm just trying to survive. You niggas falling behind.
What is up, guys? Welcome to my first ever moto vlog. That's the longest wheelie I probably ever had. What's up, fuckstick? It's not a dirt bike, it's street legal.
I see something like, whoa. You riding on the street?
I could ride on the street.
I like that.
It's pretty nice, right? It's pretty nice, hell yeah. Yeah,
How you doing?
good.
Just taking your little cruise, right?
Yeah, day off, you know, you gotta do it.
Camera too?
Yeah. Anything new, JD? Just new with you. Fucking any more bitches? Hell yeah, you fucking bitches. Damn, my man.
No comment.
You fall asleep in there again? Nah, you don't do that no more.
It's a nice bike.
Yeah.
What bike is that?
It's,
Dirt bike?
it's a yeah, it's a dirt bike, but it's street legal, you know?
No, it ain't street legal.
Yeah, it is, boy.
You got no license plates on it?
Yeah, I do. Look in the back.
Oh shit, you do that plate.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Not street legal.
What's up? Remember me?
Yeah, I know. Yeah?
Remember me? Yeah.
What's up with the camera?
What? I don't know. I'm just riding around.
Make sure you get the baby on your camera now, okay?
Yeah.
I'll catch y'all later. JD, you're in tomorrow, right?
Yeah. You open it, right?
No, I wish.
Hey, JD. Come on, go in the back. Go in the back. Show you how it's done.
Where?
What Supra? God.
I need
Ooh, let's go behind the Supra. Ooh. Ooh. God damn. Look at that ass, boy. This fucking Supra's fat ass, boy. Nice as fuck. Gotta do a little wheelie for the Supra, you know? Is it twin? Twin? Yeah? Come on, turn red, turn red. Huh?
What else you got? Got a car?
Yeah, I got an IS 300.
Nice. You know this guy Joe with the S300?
I think so, yeah. Hey, is it twin turbo? It's stock GT? Yeah?
I got everything for stage mode, but I don't want to mess it up. Sometimes I go to Stop and Shake.
Yeah?
This guy's gonna let me know.
I'm gonna turbo my car soon. Then we can race. Hell yeah. Well, that's it for this moto vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like that clean ass Supra. This guy said that he actually meets up where we always meet up, so I'm probably gonna see him again. So you guys